Okay, I got my flip-flop circuit, and this is the old flip-flop. It's an SN74LS76. On the data pin would not take a high. I tried to find another one. I didn't have another one on my other, but I did have a SN74LS76. The only thing is with it, it's a JK flip-flop. I tried to, and with the JK flip-flop, you have two data inputs with the J and the K. I tried to tie the K low before I read the logic, and what happens is if J is low and K is low, Q and Q naught will not change. So that didn't work like I wanted it to. Because at some point in time I was wanting to tie the Q naught back to J, so it's going to go from high to low. Okay. If J is high and K is low, Q will go high and Q naught will be low. If J is low and K is high, Q will be low and Q naught will be high. If J is high and K is high, then it will toggle. So that way I can tie K high and still toggle J. So that's what I ended up doing. So that's wired up that way, and so I can check it and hit the clear button and preset, clear, preset. Okay, and on my clock, I used 3 different switches and I tied them all together. And the reason why I did that, if you on light switches, if you had 3 different light switches, you could wire it up, but you have to have a 3-way, a full-way, and a 3-way. You could actually do it digitally and be even wireless using something similar to this. You couldn't quite use this because this is too sensitive and it has a little bit of bounce to it. But I'll go ahead and show you how it can work. You can see I hit that button and it switched condition to off. It bounced on, off, and I can go over here and switch it again. On. And this one's the same way, different on a different channel. So I'll hit that button. Right now it's on, off, on, off, on. And another thing I noticed when I was reading the information, the 7476 that might be obsolete, and I think the reason is I was reading on this on the SN7476 are characterized for operation over the full military temperature range of -55 Celsius to 125 Celsius. The 74 family doesn't have that broad range of temperature that it can run in, so I think that's part of the reason why the 54 family has become more popular and the 74 family is heading out. So, alrighty, there you go.